This is the Parkside Cordless LED work light, and it's one of those tools that once you use it, you wonder how you ever worked without it. This light is designed for workshops, garages, renovations, outdoor jobs, and even emergency use. And what makes it special is its power flexibility. You can run it directly from mains power or completely cordless using Parkside batteries. It supports Parkside X20V team batteries, but also Parkside 12-volt batteries, thanks to the included adapter that comes in the box. That means one light, multiple power options, and full compatibility with your existing Parkside ecosystem. Let's start with the design and build quality. The housing feels solid and well built, with thick plastic that's clearly made for workshop conditions. It's impact resistant and stable, so you don't have to worry about minor drops or rough handling. The wide base and adjustable frame allow the light to stand firmly on the ground, on a workbench, or even on uneven surfaces. On the side, you have a large adjustment knob, which lets you easily tilt the lamp and lock it in the exact angle you need. Once it's set, it stays there. Now let's talk about the light output. This LED panel produces a strong, wide, and even light, perfect for illuminating large work areas. It's not a narrow spotlight. Instead, it spreads light evenly across the space, which makes it ideal for mechanical work, DIY projects, painting, and electrical installations. The light is bright enough to work comfortably without harsh shadows or eye strain. And because it's LED, it stays cool compared to traditional halogen work lights. One of the biggest advantages here is the power versatility. When you're in the workshop, you can plug it directly into the wall and run it continuously without worrying about battery life. When you're outside, on-site, or somewhere without power, you just clip in a 20-volt Parkside battery and you're fully cordless. If you only have Parkside 12-volt batteries, no problem at all. The adapter is included, so you're covered either way. That's a huge plus, especially if you already own Parkside tools. Let's talk about battery performance. With a 20-volt battery, you get solid runtime depending on capacity, and the light remains consistent without noticeable drops in brightness. For mobile jobs, emergency lighting, or quick outdoor tasks, it performs exactly as expected. Now let's go over the positive points. Excellent light spread and brightness. Very flexible power options with mains, 20 volts and 12-volt batteries. Solid construction and stable design. Full compatibility with the Parkside battery system, and great usability for both professionals and DIY users. Of course, no tool is perfect, so let's mention a few negatives. It's not the most compact work light, so it takes up some space in your workshop. Batteries are not included, which is normal for Parkside tools, but important to mention. And while it's bright, this is a work light, not a floodlight for very large outdoor areas. So who is this light for? If you work in a garage, do home renovations, need reliable lighting for DIY projects, or want a powerful cordless light for emergencies, this is an excellent choice. Especially if you already use Parkside batteries, this light fits perfectly into your setup. Overall, the Parkside Cordless LED work light is a reliable, versatile, and well-designed tool that delivers exactly what it promises. If you found this review useful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next tool test.